Do you ever feel like learning English is too hard? Do you ever ask yourself, why am I not improving? Do you feel shy or nervous when you try to speak? Or do you study for a long time, but still feel like nothing changes? If yes, don't worry. You are not alone. Many English learners around the world feel the same way. But here's the truth. The biggest problem is not grammar or vocabulary. The biggest problem is what happens inside your mind. Your mind can be your best friend or your biggest enemy. If you think, I can't do this, your brain will believe it. But if you say, I can learn step by step, your brain will help you. Many learners stop speaking because they are afraid. Afraid of mistakes. Afraid of what people will say. Afraid of sounding wrong. But here's something important. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are your teachers. Every time you make one, you learn something new. Think about a child learning to walk. The child falls many times but never says, I give up. The child keeps trying until walking feels easy. English is the same. If you keep going, one day speaking will feel natural too. Don't try to be perfect.